There are many piles or dust on the floor. I want to use the vacuum cleaner to clean the dust. First step, I open the vacuum cleaner. After I clean, the HEPA filters will be very dirty. Now I want to clean the HEPA filters. How to clean? Don't keep on the vacuum cleaner working and shake the handle. This is clean the HEPA filters, one of the HEPA filter. And write another one. Okay, the HEPA filters was cleaned, and now we stop the vacuum. Stop it. Now the vacuum cleaner is stopped. Okay.